In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Beacons.ai subscription, so let's jump into it. So first, you need to go to Beacons.ai. Once you're here, make sure you're logged in, then head over to settings in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you're inside of settings, you'll then be in your account settings. You need to go to billing. Click on billing and it will then show you the current subscription that you're on. So I'm on the Creator Pro monthly subscription. We can go ahead and click on that and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to cancel? You can then scroll down and then click cancel. Now let's remove the card after. So we'll confirm the cancellation first. They're then going to ask you your primary reason. I'm going to put no longer need it. We'll then put next. What features are we missing? None in my case. We'll click next again and then next once more time. And then you need to check these boxes here just to confirm that you know you're going to lose all of your access to these features. Then click cancel subscription. Then click cancel subscription again. They're going to really try and get you to keep your subscription. You can then close out of this. Now, if you refresh, your subscription should be gone. So there you go. So now let's remove the payment method. So on the billing tab, you can go to Stripe credit card, click edit, then go to payment methods. And then what you can do, you can click on your payment method. You can click edit. And if you wanted to remove it, what you'd have to do is add another one. And then you can remove this one. You can't delete your credit card until the Creator Pro plan has finished.